I hear a freight train, y'all, but we gonna miss it. I just wanted to show y'all that. It sounds so good like a SC-70 Mac. UP.
Back, but no, it came in. I hear a local train. I think it's a UP local train or just the SC-70 Mac. UP.
Yep.
It's about to pass. With good corn.
Yeah.
But sadly we can't see it. We can just hear it. Yeah. Over there. Yeah. Somewhere right there. Sounds a very loud and good horn. But sadly we can't see it. But yeah.
Yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you this.
I'll
Goodbye.
see whenever I see the AKD in the gun. Yeah. I can hear the engine. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you whenever I see the AKD.
Can we see the train, y'all? I don't think so. Yep, it passed already.